If you're working with files and folders in Python, the us module is one of your best friends. In this video, we'll check out 5 super useful us functions that you'll actually use in real-world projects. Let's jump right into it. This one is simple but powerful. You can instantly see what files and folders exist in any directory. Just pass the path or use to list the current one. Super handy when you're dealing with file processing or automation. All right, let's see what's next. Hard coding paths? Forget it. With just one line, you can get the user's home folder, whether they're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Perfect if you're saving files to desktop or documents in a cross-platform script. Now, let's move on to the third one. Need to make a folder or even a nested folder structure? This function does it all, and it won't crash if the folder already exists. It's great for setting up clean directory structures in your apps or scripts. Let's take a look at the fourth one. Before you read a file, write to it, or delete something, always check if it's there. This one-liner can save you from a lot of nasty errors and bugs, especially in larger scripts. All right, last one coming up. Instead of guessing where your script is running from, this function tells you exactly where a file is, full path and all. It's incredibly useful when debugging or logging file operations. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python tips.